So today's topic is about GitHub. Today's topic is about GitHub. Okay, GitHub is a web-based closed source, you can say, repository hosting service. It is a type of hosting service. Okay, it is a web-based hosting service. Okay, so here GitHub gives a web-based graphical interface, desktop and mobile alliances. Means GitHub is a graphical interface, desktop and mobile alliances. It also provides access control and several collaboration features such as backtracking, future request, tasks management, and Wikipedia for every project. GitHub offers both plans for private repositories and free accounts. GitHub are used to host open source software project. It is a open source software project. Okay, this is a open source. So we will going to see this GitHub's practical also. Okay, then you will get better open source software projects. So, project. So here, in short, I will tell you about GitHub. Let's see first in detail here. GitHubs offer both plans for private repository and free accounts. GitHub are used to host open source software project. GitHub platform is developed on. So this GitHub platform is developed on platform platform is developed on sorry GitHub platform. This GitHub you have to read in capital, then it will be okay. So this is a GitHub is a it is used for web-based hosting service. It is an open source software project, and this platform is developed on. You have to remember. Okay, in exam is going to come maybe. Developed on 1st October 1st October 2007. Okay, so this platform is developed on 2007. Then the project on GitHub can be accessed and operate using the standard Git command line interface. So here some Git commands are there. With the help of these commands, you can you can access the project. Okay, GitHub create multiple desktop client and Git plugin. GitHub is what it access it creates multiple desktop. Create multiple desktop. Multiple desktop. Okay. So GitHub creates multiple desktops client, okay, desktops client and Git plugin and other third parties that integrate with the platform. A user must create an account in order to contribute, connect to site. Okay, so here user must create account. सो वेल में इसके थ्रू हमें इसका ही प्रैक्टिकल भी आपको मैं एज अ प्रैक्टिकल सेक्शन में शो कर सकती हूँ 1 मिनट बताती हूँ आपको रिलेट कंप्लीट दिस अकाउंट ओके in order to contribute connecting the site. So but public repositories can be browser and download by anyone. With the registered user account, users are able to discuss, manage, create responsibility, submit contribution, other responsibility, and review change to code. The software that run GitHub was written using Ruby on Rails, and developers choose strengths Tom Pristons. The GitHub mostly the scope of GitHub is mostly used for code. So जो ये GitHub है ये mostly use होता है code purpose. Okay. Just 1 minute. Okay. So this is the scope of the GitHub is mostly used for the code purpose. Then the features of this of GitHub. You can say documentation. Okay, it's used for documentation. You can say including automatically rendered, then readme files in variety of markdown like file format, then issue tracking with label, then assigns and search engine is used for documentation. Okay, then then you can say that GitHub listen. अभी जो GitHub पे ना यहाँ पे you for using this is a open source and it is a used to hosting purpose. Okay, so जो GitHub है इसमें आपको पहले इसमें आपका अकाउंट बनाना होगा अपना लॉगिन आईडी ईमेल आईडी से, then you are able to see प्रोजेक्ट होते हैं GitHub में जो you can able to see, you can put your projects also. ये हमारा प्रैक्टिकल होगा, लेकिन जस्ट हियर अभी हम लोग जस्ट आपको मैं बताती हूँ कि हम लोग कैसे GitHub यूज मतलब अकाउंट बनाते हैं इसमें. ओके, 1 minute, let me show you this. See, this is the open source, so इसमें scopes है, then इसमें features है, documentation like. Okay, so today's topic is about GitHub. Okay, okay, see here, ये GitHub first we, okay, see here, ये GitHub first we will log in the GitHub website. Okay, see here, ये आपका प्रैक्टिकल है जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं, हमारा फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिकल भी आप इसको बोल सकते हो. ओके, अभी हम लोग GitHub वेबसाइट में गए. ओके, तो यहाँ पे अगर आपका इसमें अकाउंट ऑलरेडी है देन यू हैव टू जस्ट लॉग इन with your user ID and password and sign in. Okay, अगर आपने अकाउंट, लेकिन we don't have our account so we have to sign up it. तो यहाँ पे आपको यूजर नेम देना होगा, whatever you want you can give your user name. Okay, then your email ID and password and sign up for GitHub. Okay, abhi let's see, I'm giving here push. Okay, because already I have used this, so here is showing agar jo email ID already use it then यहाँ पे push 360 are available here. So okay, I can give this also. Otherwise मतलब whatever we want we can use. Okay, अभी suppose push 368 is available here. Okay, so we can give, and now I have to give my email ID. Okay, here तो ये मैंने अपनी email ID क्रिएट किया. Okay, okay, this is my email ID. Then my password after this email ID. Just 1 minute, I'm giving my password here. Okay, so then now I'm logging my email address. So email address, then create your account, then username, email address. This is your first practical also. Okay, मतलब आप कोई भी आपका जो भी ईमेल एड्रेस है आप दे सकते हो, आपको यूजर नेम आपको जो भी चाहिए ईमेल एड्रेस यूजर नेम you can give. Okay, so I having my this email address so I'm using this one. Okay, then password. Okay, now verify your account, verify. Okay, so we have to verify my account here, pick the galaxy I have to click. Okay, so मतलब जो भी हम लोगों को आएगा वैसे हम लोगों को वो क्लिक करना होगा. ओके, देन डन. अब फिर मेरे यहाँ पे GitHub पे अकाउंट क्रिएट हो गया. ओके, देन सी हियर नाउ आई एबल टू, मतलब आपको एक एग्जाम में अभी वी आर स्टडिंग फर्स्ट राइट फ्री एंड ओपन सोर्स, तो टुडे दिस इज हमारा प्रैक्टिकल सेशन भी है ये फर्स्ट, क्योंकि आपके सब्जेक्ट में GitHub है तो इसमें आपको कैसा है कि ये क्या बोलते हैं आपको कि इस कोर्स में GitHub का आपको एग्जाम में प्रैक्टिकल भी आ सकता है. सो आपको पहले इसमें अकाउंट क्रिएट करना होगा. अकाउंट क्रिएट होने के बाद आप इजीली क्या कर सकते हो, लॉगिन कर सकते हो अपने अकाउंट पे. ओके, एंड आप लॉगिन के बाद आप एंटर करके अपने प्रोजेक्ट यूज कर सकते हो. ओके, यू कैन गो एंड जस्ट फर्स्ट क्रिएट एंड देन लॉग इन, then you can create your what whatever project you're having, you can use it, you can share it with the. ये GitHub एक ऐसी साइट है जिसमें आप अपने अकाउंट अपने प्रोजेक्ट शेयर कर सकते हो, या किसी के मीन्स व्हाट जिन लोगों ने भी अपने प्रोजेक्ट शेयर कर सकते हो उसको देख के स्टडी करके अपना कुछ डेवलप कर सकते हो, राइट. सो दिस इज अ यूजफुल. मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी कहा ये होस्टिंग साइट से, राइट. सो ये आपको एज अ प्रोजेक्ट एग्जाम में भी आएगा कि क्रिएट मतलब आपको गिटहब का अकाउंट बनाना होगा अपने एग्जाम प्रैक्टिकल. दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिकल. ओके, लेट मी गिव द पासवर्ड हियर. ओके, so if I type the wrong, then okay, username I have to give what I use. Push. What is that? My password. Okay. Okay, already I have uses this account, that's why showing this problem here. New GitHub, अगर ऐसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो then you can again create your new मतलब पासवर्ड, ईमेल आईडी और पासवर्ड लेके आपको GitHub क्रिएट हो जाएगा. एक बार आप क्रिएट कीजिए अपना GitHub और उसमें आप अकाउंट के बाद में आप वो एंट्री करने के बाद आपको उस अकाउंट में मीन्स आप प्रोजेक्ट एंड ऑल कुछ देख सकते हो. ओके, सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क. देन आई जस्ट गो see, create your account, give the email id, proper email address, because I have already used this, so that's why it's showing like this. Okay, now I doesn't remember this my password. That is happening here. Then again, if you having facing the problem, then I will show you again. Just you first create your account here, mail address, validate your mail address and create give your password, then verify your account and open the GitHub and log in. Then you will get the many files, and in that you will get the you can upload your project file. That's it. So ये आपका first practical. Okay, you do and then inform me. Okay, then this is a GitHub's point. Now GitHub we have seen that this is open source software, right? Then nested task system within a file. Then GitHub, I said that it is developed on 1st October 2007. And then in June 2015, GitHub opened an official in Japan. GitHub open an official in Japan. That is the first office outside of the USA. Then 29 July 2015, GitHub announced it had raised 250 million in funding in a round led by Capital. The then just 1 minute. Okay, now we will see. Okay, so okay, now we will see the open office. 1 minute. Now we will see the next part is open. Okay, I hope कि GitHub आपको समझ में आएगा. Just you go and first try to create your account. If you are unable to create, then I will show again. Okay, but it will be ये हो जाएगा easily. I have already created. That's why it's not accepted here. Okay, and मुझे अभी पासवर्ड उसका याद नहीं आ रहा है मैंने जो क्रिएट किया था. That's why it's showing invalid password या wrong password. Okay, so then also you try first. If you unable to done this practical, then I will show you again. Okay, inform me today you do this project or this practical. Okay, then बस उसमें आप जब भी अकाउंट क्रिएट कर देंगे GitHub पर, then you just want to upload your file. You know very well ki how to upload a file. If you don't know, then at least first go and open. And if you're facing some problem, then tell me. I will explain you. Okay, it's very easy practical. You will most of people students can do it. So it's as a homework for you. Okay, now open office, this is point. Then open office provides following software. Here open office provides the open office organized. Then Apache, you know very well now Apache, we have discussed in my previous lecture about Apache. This is the type of open office software, right? You can say Apache open office, that is a AOO. Then openoffice.org is a first is having two means. The open office provides following software. First one is what? Open office. First one is a open office .org. Then second one is Apache open office. Okay, so second one is Apache open office, that is we can say in short A means in capital A OO. Yeah, you can write in both OO. This is the Apache open office, and here you can say capital OO because that org, right? Dot, sorry. Then this is a open office software. So openoffice.org, first one software is a discontinued open source suite. It originally based on the Star Office. Then Apache Open Office is derived of OO, मतलब ये integrate होता है by OO से. Okay, the Apache Foundation with contribution from IBM, Lotus. You can say IBM also we have studied in my previous lecture. Okay, same of the you can say derivatives as follow. Then Neo Office, Star Office, Open Office is also .org is also known as Open Office. OpenOffice is an earlier version of Star Office, which Sun Microsystems acquired in 1999. Original author of Open Office were Star Office by Star Division, which was developed in between 1985 to 1999. It was mainly developed for the Linux and Microsoft Windows, and later for OS with ports to other operating systems. Open Office org contains following things. Okay, this Open Office first one is contain following things. Let's see this. Okay, Open Office, this one's contain the following things. This is first one is in under this you can use word processor. Okay, that is it's word processor, you know very well. Now I'm doing this is a word processor is using under the Open Office. I'm using writing purpose, right? Okay, then a separate sheet, a separate sheet. So this is used for calculation purpose also, right? Then a separate sheet is used for calculation purpose. Okay, then just 1 minute. Yeah, okay, now then drawing application, it means paints, you know, where you having the option paints. Sorry, a presentation application, you know, PowerPoint, you are using PowerPoint, you have used, right? A presentation let me correct it. A presentation application, that is PowerPoint. Here means under Open Office कितने contents you can use. Now आपको org Open Office समझ में आया होगा, right? Application using for what purpose? Presentation purpose. Okay. Means you can say Impress, because PPT you have used, right? You know very well PowerPoint. So here we can use then drawing application. Drawing application means you know very well which one this, right? Drawing application for draw you can draw image, right? You have used MSIT आपने किया होगा, आपको सब पता ही है ओपन ऑफिस में क्या क्या यूज कर सकते हैं, right? Then formula editor, you can use the formula editor. This भी आपको open office के अंदर मिलते हैं, right? Formula editor used for math purpose, right? डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट बेस जो आप अभी डीबीएमएस में सीख रहे हो, एक्सेल थ्रू आप डेटाबेस मैनेज कर रहे हो, एम्प्लॉइज फाइंड, आपने डीबीएमएस ये सब्जेक्ट में जो सीखा है, सो यू कैन से डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट पर्सन, डेटाबेस जो भी आप लोग स्टडी करते हो, जो भी आप टाइप करते हो, वो सारे कंटेंट्स मतलब ये ओपन ऑफिस ओरिजी के कंटेंट्स से जो फॉलोइंग थिंग्स फॉलो करते हैं, दैट इज अ डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट एप्लीकेशन, राइट? अभी आपने सीखा ही होगा कि डेटाबेस में हम कैसे एम्प्लॉयज का डेटा मैनेज करते हैं, राइट? इन डीबीएमएस से, सो नो नीड टू एक्सप्लेन हियर, जस्ट आई एम गिविंग द क्या क्या हम थिंग्स यूज कर सकते हैं इस ओपन ऑफिस में, राइट? So these are the things which we have used in under the open office org word processor, which we have using. I'm typing, I'm showing you, that is a word processor. And separate sheet, that is, you can say excel. In excel also you can do the calculation also, right? Then presentation application for PowerPoint, giving, making the slide and give your presentation with the help of PowerPoint. Then drawing application like paints and all, you know, paint applications there in our open office under, right? Then formula editor is one of the application which you can use for your math purpose. Database management system, here you can set your data, you excel, in excel you can manage your data, right? You know very well how to manage, and then you can file your queries through SQL, yeah, okay, MySQL, right? Now open office provide features like mission of open office. So it has a default file format, so we call open document format, ODF, with standard which organize the open office origin. It also reads many other file format with particular attention to those from Microsoft Office. It was developed by Sun Microsystem and Oracle Operation. It was initially released before 14 years ago in May 2002, and latest release was on 25 Jan 2011. Version 3.3 was released before 5 years ago. Okay, so one preview release was 12 April 2011, called Beta 1 release. OpenOffice was actually written in C++ and Java, and it was available in 121 language. OpenOffice is available in 121 languages. Okay, then OpenOffice provides following feature, like a mission of OpenOffice.org is to create as a community leading intentional office. Then you can say that open office, I said that here you can use in written like a word processor, right? Here first one here, let me, okay, just, okay, so here word processor, there a word processor analog to Microsoft Word or my Word Perfect, like this. Then can okay, can a separate sheet analog to Microsoft Excel, okay, आप जैसे कि मैंने कहा एक्सेल में आप कैलकुलेशन भी कर सकते हो. देन ड्रॉ और वेक्टर ग्राफिक्स एडिटर, देन features to drawing function in the Microsoft Office you having, you know very well. अगर यहाँ पे हम पेन टाइप करते हैं, right? So here 3D system may be here, right? Then you can draw the vector here, whatever you want in through this figure you can draw it, okay? So इसके through आप सो ये ओपन ऑफिस में अवेलेबल इसलिए आप मैथ फिगर्स या वट एवर यू वांट, इवन ये एक मतलब अभी आपको एडवांस में ये गेम प्रोग्रामिंग में आपको ये सिलेक्ट करके एक्स वन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट फॉर इन TY, ये सिलेक्ट करके आपको प्रैक्टिकल सेशन होता है जो कि दैट which can happen through this pen. First we have to select this here in here, then we can integrate in our whatever is the given software. ओके, सो ये कुछ बहुत से ऑप्शन है जो कि जिससे हम ओपन ऑफिस में यूज कर सकते हैं, दिस रेक्टेंगल बेस व्हाटएवर. ओके, देन math, a tool for creating and editing mathematical formula analog to analog to Microsoft equation editor formula, could be embedded inside other open office documents such as those created by writers, right? So here see, you can see like these formulas are there, right? Equations are there, you can write, right? Means you can use this also with the help of ये open office में आपको available है, that's why you can use it. See, so more symbols are there like these, right? मतलब जो कि इसमें आया आपको maths में you can use okay formula editor. Then drawing I have show you database management. Okay, impression like presentation. A presentation analog to Microsoft PowerPoint, Apple Keton. Impression full expert presentation to first flash files, allowing them to be play on computer with the flash player Adobe installed. Okay, so through you can give the impression like Adobe is one of the software that yeah whatever many software is there जिससे use करके आप impressive अपना presentation या अपना जो कि हमें facilities है in open office में you can do it, right? So these are the concept about what open office org. Apache open office, this is we know very well Apache means what, Apache software, how it's work, the use of Apache. We have seen my previous lecture. Then also Apache Open Office is a derivative of O. म्हणजे ये means this derived by OOM, that is Open Office org, by the Apache Foundation with contribution from IBM. So just it is integrated through OR. So just you have to mention about open office and you have to write means you have to just write that Apache open office derive of OO by the Apache Foundation. Okay, okay. So today's lecture is today lecture over here. Thank you.